Hi everyone, today I will compare in between Zed AI and Cursor AI. Which coding tool is superior in 2025? Let's find out. Make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any information. Zed AI is built for speed. Developed in Rust with GPU acceleration, it's fast, fluid, and built for real-time collaboration. With features like predictive editing, AI-driven suggestions, and native Git integration, Zed feels like a tool made for modern team workflows. Then there's Cursor AI, a coding assistant that feels like an evolution of the classic code editor. It enhances the familiar coding experience with multi-line completions, smart refactoring, and an integrated AI chat that understands your entire code base. Cursor isn't just a tool, it's a coding partner. In terms of performance, Zed delivers instant feedback and minimal lag, making it perfect for fast-paced development. Cursor, while a bit heavier, excels at helping developers reason through complex code with intelligent assistance at every step. So which one is superior? If you need speed, collaboration, and a distraction-free environment, Zed AI is the editor for you. But if you're looking for deep AI integration and smart guidance across your projects, Cursor AI has the edge.